This is a demonstration of the GeoSync Go 3D framework. This sample includes published point clouds from a variety of sources, including aerial LiDAR, GIS data layers, GeoSlam Zeb Revo scans, survey drone mapping, and Faro scans. The total point cloud in this framework exceeds 2 billion points. All the data is georeferenced and is stored as individual scenes. The framework allows us to bring these scenes together into one published document. Let's take a quick tour. We start with our base, which is aerial LiDAR for all of Fayette County, Kentucky, and we can easily move this around and look at it from different perspectives. But let's take a quick tour to some of the other scenes. Let's begin here with Boone Creek LiDAR. So we can zoom in and take a little bit closer look at the LiDAR options. In this case, we're in around Boone Creek and where it enters into the Kentucky River. Go in a little bit closer, and you can see the yellow lines represent our property lines from our GIS that's been draped over the ground, and then the light blue lines represent the floodplain from FEMA data, also from our GIS. Let's take a look at the valve house, which is part of a scan, Faro scan that was done of a building as part of a treatment plant along the banks of the Kentucky River. Take a tour to downtown Lexington, and we can look at the scan that was done of the Helix Garage for a project, and this has been merged together with the aerial LiDAR. You can see the street center lines delineated here as well. If we move around, we can actually get a look of the downtown sky in downtown Lexington. Let's go on to the Pepper Distillery. This was a scan. This is the top floor of the Pepper Distillery, which was scanned using a Zeb Revo scanner. We can come in and look pretty closely to the top floor, and then we also see this in relation to the framework allows us to look at that in relation to other features in the Fayette County area. The Beck Center on Transylvania University's campus. You can get a good view of this scan. This facility also integrated with the aerial LiDAR and property information, as well as street center lines. Lastly, we'll take a look at Bryan Station High School. This is an area that was flown with a survey drone, and the point cloud that was produced has also been integrated into the framework, so we have access to that along with the other data sources, such as the property information, road center lines, aerial LiDAR, and other information. So that's a quick tour of the GeoSync Go 3D framework and how it can function and allow us to share a variety of information, scan 3D information.